when we talk about leadership, right? You can say, oh, you need this kind of skill set. This is important. It's communications, it's empathy. There's a lot of things, right? You can put in that bucket. But if you have to look at yourself and saying, how do you know, or how do I know that I'm a good leader? So if you have to look at yourself, how do you know that you are a good leader?
That's a good question. I think that I'm a different leader than I was.
Yeah.
I also feel, and I hope it doesn't sound egotistical, I think I'm a better leader now than I was. I think it comes down to the interaction and the personal relationship that I have with my team and those members of my team. And, that changes a little bit. People come and go, we have reorganizations, and the relationships of those people that move to different teams, or even different companies in that occasion, I think that's when you really get that gratification, if you will, because they might say, wow, I really enjoyed our collaboration. Maybe even they're a little bit more open to say it because they don't work with you and for you at that time, but that's always a flag or a good indicator.
Yeah.
But I think it's that personal connection. It's hard to fake that. I think that being friendly, if you will, is different from having a deeper relationship than just boss and employee. You know? And you can sense that. At least I feel like I can. And it seems very gray, if you will. It's not very black and white, but I just have this sense, and I feel a lot more comfortable. And I think with me feeling more comfortable and confident as I've gotten older and done this longer, that's kind of helped. And some of the insecurities are gone, or having to prove yourself over and over again. You're like, hey, I know what I'm doing. I don't need to prove it anymore.
Yeah, no. So good thing at getting older. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Leadership in Manufacturing podcast. I love that you're listening. Please find us on YouTube and wherever you get your podcast, and be sure to subscribe and rate us. Also, follow our LinkedIn page and Instagram, and check out leadershipinmanufacturing.com for previous episodes, blog posts, and our newsletter. So let's continue this journey together to become better leaders in the electronics industry. Remember, stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.